Alright, Genericans. Welcome to my abode. Check this out. See this front tire here? It's a pretty good one. It's still got some grip on it and whatnot. But if you look at this tire, it's pretty worn down right through here. And it's even missing some treads, as you can see here. So, yeah, so I'm fixing to do my first how-to video. How to take your front tire, put it on the back, buy a new tire, put it on the front. And also how to adjust your transmission, your drivetrain, because that's been slipping pretty bad. So come along with me, won't you? Alright, step one. Load your bike up onto a rack on the back of your car. Step two, drop it off at the repair shop. So step three, you go on a run because, well, you don't have your bike, only to realize that running sucks. All right, step four, Genericans, I got the text. My bike is ready for pickup. And there she is. And shiny new drivetrain.